Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn what is the process after submitting your tax returns. If your tax return contains a payment, you have to process your payment before its due date and keep the tax form and its payment slip in your documents. And then you have to physically submit a copy of these forms with your annual tax return. If your tax form doesn't contain any payment, you have to keep it in your documents and then physically submit it with your annual tax return. To process your payment, you have two options: direct deposit or bank transfer. In a direct deposit method, you have to print at least 3 copies of tax forms, bring it to the nearest central bank branch. They will collect the payment and the tax forms. After that, they will return a copy of tax form with a yellow bank deposit slip to the taxpayer. You must securely keep these documents for your own record. The second copy of tax form with a white bank deposit slip will be kept by the central bank itself for their own records. The last copy of tax form with a green bank deposit slip will be submitted by the Afghanistan bank to the Ministry of Finance. Their relative caching department will record this transaction in taxation system, and the document will be kept for their own records. But if you choose to transfer the payment instead of direct deposit, which we also recommend, you have to print at least 1 copy of tax form, ask your commercial bank to transfer the payment to the Ministry of Finance relative account with the Afghanistan bank. After payment transfer, you have to ask your bank to provide you with ECSS confirmation form. This process may take 24 to 48 hours. Upon receiving the ECSS confirmation form, you can submit 1 copy of tax form with an ECSS confirmation to its relative caching department of email. Don't forget that you can make one transfer for multiple forms to avoid transfer charges. And then at the end of the year, you have to physically submit your annual tax return with all of its supporting documents to the Ministry of Finance before its due date. Thanks for your time. I hope you found this course useful. If you think it's useful, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any question regarding taxation or refiling, don't hesitate to contact me directly. Following are my contact details. You can also follow me in social medias. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to make sure that you are not missing any of our future videos regarding taxation, finance, or refiling.